Oh,
Oh.
those are big f***ing waves. G'day, you're watching The Reality Fugitive. We are down at the beach for another weekend. Yet another trip with Mrs. Fugitive over there. So tide's still coming in, high tide's in about an hour. So not too bad, overcast, we'll see how we go. Ha! Ha!
Oh, so cute.
I better get him back in before he, yeah, the little baby flathead.
Oh, aren't she pretty?
At least I think it's a baby flathead.
It is a baby flathead, that's so cute.
All right, buddy, off you go. Oh. Ha! Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Ha! That's high, but not very far. Kaplonk. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, yep. No, yep. No, is that a fish? Or a wave? I think it's a fish. No, nothing? Seaweed, maybe. Oh. No freaking way. I just caught a flathead with this metal jig. It's undersized, but got one.
Sorry, what's that?
I just caught another flatty with the metal jig. It's over here. It'll be undersized, so I'll throw it back, but you should come and have a look before I do.
Maybe I should try some of my soft plastics, actually.
Well, I don't know. They're going for the metal. They're going for the AliExpress lures.
We can trick a bit bigger.
Oh, yeah, don't worry, buddy. You're going back. You're way too small to keep. Oh, watch out for those barbs on your head. Well, I won't show the missus because she's too far away and I want you to lift. That's so cool. 2 flatties. All right. Yeah, you're definitely undersized, so you're going back, buddy. You're going back. Yep, there you go. All morning, you and I both dropped fish. Didn't get any onto the beach, did we?
I almost did.
Almost.
I lost it.
Yeah.
That was that close.
I did. I saw it jumping in the surf. And I caught 2 flathead, sort of. They were tiny, and I threw them back. So we're going to go have some lunch maybe at the surf club. Mm-hmm. And then we might come back down this afternoon, but we'll see how we go.
Definitely. Sounds good.
Yep, cool. Bye. It's now 5 o'clock. Sun sets in about half an hour, 45 minutes. And we, down at the back of the beach, going to try and catch ourselves some dinner. It's a nice looking fishy spot just in here. We'll see how we go. Pa! Not my best cast. I don't want to put one out there. Oh, yep. 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 Oh, there he is. Salmon. Yep. Got a fish on. All right, awesome. Have a look at you, good eating size too. Nice little salmon, beautiful. I'm gonna keep you. Actually might take that hook out. That's dinner. Yeah, didn't bring a knife with me either, did I? That is dinner. Well, there's not much you can do about that.
But yeah, it's just a baby. There's a lot of baby flatheads, it seems.
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
You sure it's dead? Can you unhook it and...
Oh, it's moving a bit.
Yeah, just see if you can throw it back in the water and see what happens. Maybe it's not a flathead, I don't know.
It is a flathead.
Yeah. I'll throw it back in the water. It'll either become bait or it might survive. Cool. How do I look? Haha. Hopefully I haven't wasted our time by calling us up here. Maybe we're better off staying down there, but... Pah! Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. All right, here, fishy, fishy, fishy. One more before we go. We've got enough for dinner anyway, so any fish we catch now is a bonus. Pah! Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh. Pah! Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy. Oh, I think I felt a little nibble. Yep. Got on. Little one. Little one. Oh no, seaweed. Seaweed? Oh yeah, nice seaweed fish.
Delicious. Vegan fish. Yum, yum.
Is that recording? It is still recording good. Quick rough scale. Apparently it makes it easier to fillet them, so it only takes 2 seconds to scale anyway. Especially when I'm just using the back of the knife, bit rough and bit of a rough job, but anyway. Ah, wonder what. What it's been eating. Check this out. Lots of baby crabs or something. Yeah, I'm just putting out its stomach what it's been eating. Look like baby crabs, I think, or something. Yabbies or... I don't know what those are. Hopefully they come up in the camera.
Little crustaceans of some sort.
Good.